On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we are talking about types in Python. We will explain everything from the basic usage of the typing module to practical applications. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. The typing module in Python is used to introduce type hints into Python. It was originally introduced in Python 3.5 and is used to improve code readability and maintainability. Type hints do not affect the runtime of the code but allow for type checking with IDEs and static analysis tools. Type hints clarify the intent of the code by explicitly specifying the types of functions and variables. In the example below, types are specified for the arguments and return value. In the above code, a and b are of the integer type, int, and the return value of the function is also explicitly stated as an integer. Even with type hints, types are not strictly enforced, but warnings may be displayed during development if there are type mismatches. The typing module in Python provides various classes and functions to define type hints. Below is a list of common type hints. Int, integer. Str, string. Float, floating point number. Bool, boolean. List, list. Dict, dictionary. Tuple, tuple. Set, set. The list type is specified using the list class. You can also explicitly specify the type of elements within a list. In this example, all elements of the list are expected to be of type int. A dictionary type is defined using dict. The types of keys and values can be specified. In this example, the dictionary uses str as the key type and int as the value type. Tuples are specified using the tuple type. You can specify the type of each element in a tuple individually. Here, the get_person function is shown returning a tuple containing a string and an integer. The union type is used to explicitly indicate that multiple types are acceptable. In this example, the process_value function takes either an int or float as an argument and returns a result of type float. The optional type is used when a variable might be none. It is provided as a shorthand for union type none. Here, it shows that when name is not specified, it is treated as none. Generic types are a way to abstractly represent what type of elements a data structure contains. In the typing module, you can define generic types using type var. In this example, get_first_element is a function that returns the first element of a list, and it works regardless of the list's type. A type alias is a way to simplify complex type definitions by giving them a clear name. In this example, a type alias, coordinates, is defined to simply represent a type with tuples inside a list. The typing module in Python is very useful for improving the readability and maintainability of code. By properly utilizing type hints, you can help prevent type mismatches and bugs, especially in large-scale projects or team development. Types are merely a development support tool and do not affect runtime behavior, thus maintaining code flexibility. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to the channel.